Natto and olive oil, a superfood mashup by Natto King. That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. And my new book will be published soon on July 10th. Right. So now the formatting is done. I'm just waiting for the book cover. Right. So I told you about this book that it is going to be a game changer. Yeah. So I'm so excited about the publication. Yeah. Soon it is going to happen. Right. And you don't know what the book is about and the title of the book and everything yet. I'll let you know once I have the book cover. But actually, you already have the clue. The clue is in the publication date. All right, so let's get into today's topic, natto and olive oil, a superfood mashup, right? So both natto and olive oil are well-known superfoods, yeah? So natto is from Washoku, Japanese diet. Yeah, and I consider natto to be the king of Japanese superfood. Now, I don't know enough about the Mediterranean diet, the Mediterranean, dietary culture in general to say that olive oil is the king of the Mediterranean food. There could be, something else, I don't know. But still, everybody probably agreed that olive oil is a great great ingredient, and it is definitely one of the best superfoods out there. Yeah, right. So this is the mashup of two great superfoods, yeah, from Washoku and the Mediterranean diet, right? And then there are three commonalities between natto and olive oil, yeah. The first one is blood thinning effect. Yeah, natto's enzyme, nattokinase, dissolves blood clots, while olive oil's main component, oleic acid, reduces bad cholesterol and preserves the good. The second one is bone strengthening. Natto's vitamin K2 aids in bone formation, and olive oil enhances calcium absorption. Eating them together maximizes vitamin K2 absorption. And the third one, constipation relief. Both regulate the intestinal environment, natto rich in dietary fiber and vital nutrient, complements olive oil, which improves intestinal function and is abundant in vitamins and minerals. Right. And if you have trouble eating natto, if you're not, fond of the natto's distinct flavor, yeah, by mixing with olive oil, it kind of navigates, natto's flavor. So, that is a good news for you. And there are many other dishes that can navigate natto's flavor, but olive oil is one of them, right? Okay, so how to make olive oil natto? Oh, it's very simple. Yeah, you just mix natto and olive oil. That's it. Yeah, it's very simple. Yeah, of course, first you need to stir natto. So for any natto dish, first thing you need to do is you take the natto out of the fridge, maybe 20 minutes before, and then you stir natto many times, yeah, before adding anything. First, you stir natto, and then you maybe pour a little olive oil. And for a taste, you might put sea salt or soy sauce or something. Yeah, and if you like, you can even add negi too. Yeah, there are many different ways of eating olive oil natto, but the basic idea is just mix natto and olive oil, and you can have olive oil natto. It is very popular now in Japan, yeah, especially among the health conscious. Yeah, olive oil natto is a kind of buzzword, yeah, among the natto lovers, right? Also, you can, my many recipes or dishes that I've already recommended is in a way olive oil natto, right? This one, which I shared with you, in my other video called How to Make a Fiber-Rich Natto Salad to Boost Your Gut Health by Natto King. Now, so this natto salad, I'm using omega-3 oil, but you can use olive oil to make the same salad too. Then if you use olive oil, it automatically becomes olive oil natto with many other super ingredients. Yeah, I usually prefer using omega-3 oil for a salad because you cannot cook omega-3 oil, but you can cook olive oil. Yeah, so I usually like to use olive oil for like a cooking dishes. Yeah, but you can make a salad with olive oil too. Yeah, so this is even more powerful, right? All right. So anyway, yeah, to eat any kind of natto dish, it is best to eat in the format of ichiju sansai, one soup, three side dishes, yeah, with a fermented brown rice and some pickles and so on, yeah. So to know about ichiju sansai, please read the book, The Ikigai Diet, yeah. In fact, this book contains many other helpful information about Japanese natural food dietary culture, yeah, such as Ichibutsu Zen Taishoku, Shindo Fuji, and Ichiju Sansai, Mago wa Yasashi, and Hare and Ke. The book is available on Amazon, both as a Kindle book and print-on-demand paperback. All right. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. And my new book will be coming out soon. All right. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and please subscribe to my channel. And please leave your comment. Have you eaten olive oil natto? Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai.